That's a really good joke. That's a really, really good joke. In fact, maybe that's a joke that's worth digging into. Around 1990, Bill Wootters and I were working on a project to try to understand the capacity of quantum systems to carry classical information. It was a very hard problem, and we didn't know how to do it, and we made a little progress, but not very much. We decided maybe instead of thinking about how we should convey ordinary information with quantum systems, we should talk about conveying something like quantum information with quantum systems. And then one of us said, yes, and we could measure it in qubits. We thought this was hilarious. We just laughed and laughed about it. Because of course, a qubit is the unit of length. You know, in the Bible, the ark is so many cubits long and so on. We just thought it would be hilarious to measure something in qubits. Maybe that's a joke that's worth digging into. Because of course, in classical information, a bit is both a measure of how much information you have and also a word for a kind of system that has two stable states. And all systems like that can be thought of as bits. It's a word for the isomorphism between systems. And that immediately suggested something that came to be called quantum data compression theorem. And I spent that summer proving that theorem and then introduced it with the word qubit at the IEEE conference in Dallas on the physics of computation that fall. So that was a tremendously happy ending.